Hey, good morning. This is Susan. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining me today. It's Friday, January 30th, 2026. It is here in New Jersey. It is freezing. It is about 7 degrees. At least it was when I checked this morning. That was earlier, but it's cold. It's really cold. So I am like suspenders and a belt over here with a turtleneck and a big sweater and leggings, and I'll probably have to go out for something in a little bit. I'm going to put some jeans on over my leggings because it's just too cold to really be out. So we're going to spend the day inside sewing. Cool. I'm glad you're here. Today I'm doing something a little different. I decided after my I'm sad video last week, and thank you so much for all of your support and your encouragement and your sweet words. They were so nice, and it made me feel so much better, and I'm feeling a lot better, and I'm looking forward to 2026 with some hope and a lot of excitement. So I'm feeling a lot better. I think getting all of that out, helped me a great deal. So we're good. We're in a good place. All right. So today I'm doing something a little different. I'm doing a landscape quilt, but not in the way that you generally do them with like long strips of fabric and then you do some threading over it, and I'm doing it with little bits of fabric. So I'm kind of making a mess, but let me show you what I'm doing. This is, here, I'm sorry, get the plant out of the way. This is what I'm working on. Now the top got kind of messed up, but the bottom, you can get the idea from the bottom. Now this is all like grass and hills and that kind of thing, but I'm going to put like a tree in the middle of this, and it's going to have some branches. But right now all I've done is just the bottom, and these are all individual pieces of fabric, just little bits of fabric, and I put them in with like some pins, and I'm going to go over with some sewing. Like right here I went over with a satin stitch, like a decorative stitch from my machine, and it's pretty. It's a little much, that soon, like my first sewing onto the quilt. I did this kind of elaborate stitch. It's a little much, but it kind of looks like leaves, and I think that's kind of pretty, and I'm going to use that throughout the kind of thread painting of the quilt. I'm using several different embroidery threads that I have, using different colors in kind of earth tones and that kind of thing. Now I've got this all pinned down, and it is a little crazy, but I'm kind of seeing as I go, as I making this. This is a new thing, and I've seen it done much simpler with just one strip of fabric across here, and like you would have, you like your beach or your grass or hills or something, and then you'd have like a lake, and then you'd have mountains and a sky, and it has a natural progression that way. I'm just looking at it a little bit differently. I'm just trying to have a little fun. So that's what I'm working on right now. It's Friday Sews. Happy Friday Sews. And I am going to work on this today and over the weekend, because we're supposed to get a little snow. Again, we got a huge snowstorm last week, and we've got snow piled up to our windows. When they take it off the roads, they pile it up to like up on our grass, like so much so that it's like up on our grass, and it's up to like the windows. It's really crazy. I'm sorry, excuse me, 15 chins. But what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? But it sounds like we're gonna have kind of a snowy winter this year. So that's just part of life. So I hope everybody is well. And I want to shout out to the protesters in Minnesota who are doing an awesome job. You keep the pressure up. Keep the pressure up. It's working. It's working. We're going to make a change. And, you know, stay strong. And, you know, tyranny never lasts that long. We'll be okay. We'll be okay. We'll get through this. I hope everyone is wonderful. Happy Friday, Sews. Happy Friday. January is down. We just have February and March. And then we start to see some breaking in the weather and some flowers coming up and some green and, you know, and then, you know, you start to renew your hope. All right. I hope everyone's great. And thank you again for watching. And please subscribe if you want to see more, if you want to come and hang out. I'm just, you know, some place to hang out and talk about sewing and life and, you know, that kind of thing. And, you know, and just, you know, be friends. All right. Thank you so much. And you have a great day. Bye-bye now.